So here, this is my Blogger site. In my Blogger, I'm facing for ads issue by using Google AdSense. How to remove the sites using Google AdSense? Suppose they're not approved by your ads. So this website will remove by using Google AdSense. Simple, go to Google AdSense account, click for sites. In the option call is select your blog address. Here we can select by click for remove this blog. The site was removed for fraction of seconds on your site. Not only for site and blogger, anything will be simple click for remove. You can remove your any information for related ads. The simple click for remove. We can remove n number of website we can using for Google AdSense. The option call is sites. We can add, we can remove the sites using Google AdSense for increase the revenue for each and every website for increase your revenue purpose.